Alright guys, so actually it was a Lenovo Yoga. It is the 71015AKB. Okay, so it's having keyboard problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the keyboard in this unit. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to remove your screws on your base. To remove it, once you've taken out the screws in here, they do have a torque bit. Okay. Alrighty, so we have our unit right here, and what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove your SSD, you're going to have to disconnect your battery, we have to remove the battery, the board, and everything you see here to get to the keyboard right down here, okay? Alrighty. Little clips on here to pull the SSD drive out of there, and your screw for it. Okay. Alright, so before you do anything, we're going to erase the last part. Alright, before you do anything, very important to make sure you remove the battery from there so we don't have anything that can get shorted out and damaged. Next is I'm going to take out the solid state hard drive in here. Okay, and the clips put together right there. Next we're going to use our Phillips, remove our 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on here. They all have arrows on them. Alrighty, so now we're going to get our screws on here that you have on the board, holding it down in place. They have, nicely they have arrows on the board. Actually, let me show you guys. So they actually have arrows right here, so you can actually see, where the screws go, in case you don't remember. Okay. Alright, so what you're going to need here is you're also going to need your heater. Alright guys, so we're going to be using our iron, and we're going to be using our chisel tip on here. Okay. And what we're just going to do is we're just going to knock those pieces right off. Nice and flush on here. Alright, see that it pops right off. There you go. We're going to have to remove that hinge over there. Alright, so we got our shield off, so now we can get to the keyboard itself. Okay, so as you see, the keyboard has plastic rivets in everywhere in there as well too. So this is riveted in here. So again, you're going to need your splinter in the corner. As you pry up, you put heat, comes right off. And just melt it back into place. Alrighty, so if you don't have enough tabs left, plastic left over to melt again, you can always take a piece of plastic and melt that into the tabs right here. I'm using this from an old game console. And just do is melt it right on there a little bit. Just wear a mask when you do this. Alright, now we got all of the rivets all put back into place. Now it's time to put in our shield back on. And we tuck it back under. Hinges on there. Alright, once you got those in, go ahead and put your hinge screws back in. Alright. Keyboard back in there. Alright. So now I'm going to melt all these back into place. Alrighty. And there you go. We have a fully working keyboard, all sitting flush. So all you do is just reassemble everything how you took it back apart, and we get another one done. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell. If you like what you see, you got any suggestions, put it in your comments down below. And check us out on Facebook. And don't forget Tekkies.store. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can mail this repair into us. We do these as well. Please give us a call. We're glad to help you. Have a good night. Be safe.